Right, guys, so this is going to be episode 5 in the Trading Tips series, and this series is designed to look at the market, the fundamentals, and how it works, opposed to directly trading methods, filters to use, or anything like that. So this episode is going to focus on one-to-watch cards mainly, and we're going to be looking at when we should be buying them, when we should be selling them, and the hype and how it changes the price. So the first player we're going to be looking at is Manolo Gabbiadini. Now, if any of you guys watch the Trade to Glory series on the channel, you'll know we've invested in a lot of these one-to-watch cards recently. We picked up Gabbiadini on Friday for about 34,000 coins. Then, during the hype before his match, he raised to 56,000 coins. This would be a fantastic time to cash out. You've made 20,000 coins, he hasn't played, you haven't run a risk. The smart thing to do is cash him out. We decided to roll the dice on this one, and we waited for the game. So during the game, he played fantastically and scored a goal quite quickly on. We then sold our player for 98,000 coins during everybody panic buying. He then started to drop back down to about 65,000, and then he scored again. We picked up another one for about 68,000 and immediately sold it on for 98,000. Again, this is fantastic trading. We made another 30,000 coins profit in the space of a couple of minutes. Now, his price went all the way up to 140,000. And people were saying that we could have made so much more profit. We lost out on 40,000. So instead of seeing the fact that 30,000 coins was made, they're worrying about the fact that they didn't make an extra 40,000. This shouldn't be what you're looking to do when trading. It's all about the small guaranteed wins. So the people that sell the players off before the match during the hype are actually the better traders because they're removing the risk element from their investments. So the second player we're going to go on to look at is going to be Payet. Now, the Marseille game is still in progress, but they're currently losing 3-2. So an inform for him is looking extremely unlikely at this point. During the Friday, when they just came out of packs, we picked up Payet for 58,000 coins. Over the weekend, he's been gradually rising until Sunday. Today, he steadied at around 95,000 coins for the majority of the day. Now, we didn't have a chance to trade with him, sadly, so we couldn't shift him for this guaranteed profit. Now, during the game, he hasn't had a great game. It's unlikely he's going to get an inform, and he's dropped over 20,000 coins. So all of those people that bought him and sold on the hype, they've guaranteed themselves profit. Whereas people like us who accidentally decided to roll the dice, we've lost a load of money by not playing it safe. Sometimes we'll hit the jackpot if we gamble, but most of the time we're gonna lose. Investing is all about taking your guaranteed wins, not being fussed if it raised more or you could have made more profit. That's not what this is all about. It's about playing it safe and getting used to the market. So the next player we're going to look at in this is going to be Stevan Jovetic. He's going at the moment for 27,500 coins. Now, I don't know if anyone was following him today, but before kickoff, up to about 15 minutes before kickoff, he was selling for about 65,000 coins. Now, this is absolutely crazy. Yesterday, he was selling for about 37. Within one day, the hype alone has driven him up 30,000 coins. Now, there's people like us who didn't sell him and people that roll the dice, take the gamble. The best thing about this is he wasn't even starting. I don't even know if he got on the pitch during the game. But some people have bought him, sold him for 30,000 coins before the match has even started, and now they're laughing at the people who have just watched his price plummet. What happens after the price plummets is people panic sell. A lot of people have come on, search for Jovetic, see that he sells for this, and then list theirs up even cheaper. That's what continuously drives the price down, and this is when we want to be buying. So we want to be selling the cards based off hype, and then buying off people panic selling. Yes, we're going to miss out on some big wins. Occasionally the players we sell are going to get informs, and we're going to be a little bit annoyed we didn't hold on to them and make the big money. But we're going to consistently be making small wins throughout that it's not going to bother us too much in the long run. Safe, guaranteed profit is better than risk and loss.